6 herbs that help in immediate weight loss and fat burning. 1. Oregano. Oregano is extremely effective in weight loss due to its powerful antioxidants. It contributes to the proper functioning of the digestive system, while increasing the levels of serotonin, which is a hormone of happiness. 2. Ginseng. It has been known for years to stimulate brain function and memory. But the most famous root in the world is also beneficial in weight loss. Ginseng root activates the metabolism and supplies energy to the body. 3. Sage. Sage is the herb of immortality. Its great aroma and taste is able not only to reduce blood sugar levels, pressure and stress, but also to help reduce weight, especially around the abdomen. 4. Mint. Mint, which has been famous for centuries for its characteristic aroma, is extremely effective in reducing fat. It has the ability to reduce the high levels of estrogen stored in the body. Therefore, it can reduce weight as well as fat percentage. 5. Peppermint. A symbol of hospitality since antiquity, mint can effectively treat nausea and digestive disorders. It is equally effective in weight loss as it expels toxins and fights fluid retention. At the same time, it reduces stress, which is a key factor in obesity. 6. Green tea. Rich in catechins which help control body weight. With 2 to 3 cups a day of hot or cold green tea, you will see immediate results, as its active ingredients can reduce the feeling of hunger and at the same time burn fat.